side. Come northeast again. Come northeast again. Up the choke.
Demon Fang.
Double send the demon fang. After the cleric.
He's baiting us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill that boy. Kill that boy. Nice kill.
Roller behind you guys.
Spread. Just spread. Heal up. Defensive. Full defensive. Heal up. Cycle does fast. Get ready. We're going to engage shallow. On us. On the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside. Nice kill. Keep killing them inside. Kiss double inside. Put pressure on these brawlers. Put pressure on these brawlers. Then cycle. Get ready. Tangina, parang parami sila ng
3
parami.
seconds.
DA1
Level
sila,
1 na
DA1.
sila.
Copy. Get ready. Come north. Get ready. Looking shallow on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Hindi ko ma-drop yung W ko. Spread now. Kailangan ko engage yung sentry. Everybody, focus your defensives inside of us, alright?
Kalea. Try to kidnap.
Leia? Saan ba yun?
Kalea.
Leia.
Northeast.
Sa is.
Demon Pack.
Copy. Okay, marking. Get ready, straight north on the sentry. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's... Tangina.
Super layo.
Super north.
Inside, Kalea.
Inside.
Cycle ko das fast. Sobrang layo ng sentry, puta. Hilap. You're good. Nicely done.
10
Nice goal.
seconds ako.
Copy.
10
Come
seconds.
north.
Yung chariot mo, 1 bar na lang yung mount.
Copy. Get ready northwest. Northwest ng gate na basag. Hold.
Pwede sa mage.
Mage, copy. Mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight north now. On the mage. Then come back fast. Come back fast. Heals on erect. Help up front. Get ready. Come north.
Pwede northeast dyan, Nel. Far northeast.
Far northeast, copy. Get ready. Far northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Far northeast now. Come back.
So, okay.
Come back fast. Cycle cooldowns. 10 minutes.
Use them W's this.
Oh,
Internal. Use them W's internal.
Hold. Come north. Get ready. Deep north on the mage again. On the mage again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage now. Nice kills. Then come back fast. You don't have to stay. Come back fast. Nicely done. Cycle cooldowns. Just spread. On the sentry mage again, boys. Alright?
10
ready.
seconds. 10 seconds.
Hold.
Ready
Spread.
now?
Get ready. On the sentry mage again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the sentry mage now. Then come back fast. Fast.
Blazing.
Spread. Come back. Reset the mage now. Heal up.
8 seconds.
Copy. Heals on Nidal. Get ready.
5.
Copy.
Ready.
No vision sa may sentry. Spread. Heal up.
Pwede yung corner. Itong corner na to.
Corner. Ready on the corner. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Come back fast. Then cycle cooldowns. Fuck. Kailangan ko patayin yung sentry mage. Ilang HP nun? Di ko alam.
61k kanina.
Half.
Copy.
9 minutes ah.
Copy. Get ready on the sentry mage again, boys. Alright? Come north. On the sentry mage again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the sentry mage now.
Nice kill.
Likod brawlers. Behind you,
Come back.
brawlers.
Come back.
Hellboy brawler behind us. Inside us.
Heavy mace, please stop the brawlers inside only. Alright? Cycle does on me. Get ready. We're going to engage on the sentry mage again.
8.
We're going to keep coming the sentry mage.
Huron, northwest.
Come north.
Heavy mace behind us.
Copy. Sentry mage is not here. Come back for now.
She went home already.
Get ready on the sentry mage.
Sentry.
North sentry in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the sentry now. Then come back fast. Brawlers inside.
Brawler.
Nice PA. Cycle dance. We're going to engage on the sentry again.
Blazing, northeast.
Copy.
Na-cancel na.
Ready,
Cancel.
on the sentry again.
Malayo.
Malayo yung sentry copy. Use double inside boys, use double inside.
Pwede itong
Pacheck
west
ako.
side.
Pacheck ako na
Tong-
sentry. No. We keep bombing sentry.
They have
Pabalik
5
na,
picks
pabalik na.
array,
Ready,
5
ready,
picks array.
sentry.
They
Ito
have-
the other sentry north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the sentry now. Keep bombing the sentry, then come back fast.
Demon Fang
Demon
inside.
Fang sa likod,
Allergic.
Demon Fang.
Nice, good bound. Don't be too back. Just hold you. Hold upstairs. Use double is inside.
Sentry andun pa rin.
Happy. Get ready on the sentry again. North.
Demon Fang inside. Demon
North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the sentry now. 2 bars left boys, 2 bars left. Then come back. Cycle your cooldowns fast.
Okay, nag-engage na yung blazing.
Ready on the sentry again boys, alright? Just keep bombing the
Wait.
sentry.
Ready.
Ready, sentry mage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the sentry mage again. Keep bombing the sentry. Kiss double is on the sentry. Spread. Pop your pots.
One dead, one demon dead.
Pop your pots.
7-3 dead. 7-3 dead.
Copy. One more
One
engage.
dead by
One more engage. Get ready. Full walk in on the sentry. Full walk in on the sentry.
5 seconds ako.
Copy. Kiss double is on the sentry, boys.
Heals.
Get ready on the sentry in 5, 4,
Defensive,
3,
defensive.
2, 1. On the sentry now. Then spread. Pop your pots. You're good.
You can kite south if you want.
Spread. Heal up.
We lost 1 healer by the way.
Copy. Heal up. Come north. Don't be too afraid. Come north. You're going to clump southwest. On the crown now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the ground. Just blow them inside. Yeah.
I top Judy middle.
Just drop your kiss double is inside. Just don't clump up. Spread. Kiss double is inside. Don't clump up. Spread. Keep spreading. Come inside, boys. Don't go outside.
Pag lumabas kayo, lalo kayong mamamatay.
Yeah.
Drop Judy,
Red.
please, drop Judy.
Spread. Get ready. Shallow southwest of me. On the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the ground. Kill these people. Kill these people. You can kill this boys. Keep spreading lang. Keep spreading lang. Don't clump up. Heals on black mud. Just spread.
I Judy middle.
Yeah. Trigger fast kung kaya. Just spread now.
Palabas
Get
nyo
ready.
muna. Dyan na
Yeah,
yung-
labas na. Southwest. Get ready. Hold. Get ready on the choke. On the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke now. Then come back.
Get out,
Oh my god.
out.
Get out. Pull out Southwest. Heals on Indos. Help Indos here.
Battle mounts get out.
Comes
Battle
out,
mounts.
comes out.
Baka madagayan
Comes out.
ba?
Then spread. Hindi. Comes out together. We can still heal up. Comes out. Heal up. Keep moving south while healing.
Heals on
You regress pakibilis, please. Get ready. Shallow inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now.
Come
Nice,
out.
they done.
Heals on Janelle.
Come southeast. Keep moving. Don't dismount them.
Don't hit the mount.
Come southeast.
Ay, backline Judy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Heal up.
Up,
Heals on
up,
Druid.
heals,
Heals on
nice.
Druid. Get ready. Shallow. Sarel in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the realm now. Nice kill. Come north fast. Just hug the wall, boys. Just hug the wall. Keep moving.
Huwag kayo dismount yung mga nakamount, guys.
Keep moving northwest. There's a choke point northwest, alright? There's realm in east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill that boy. Come northwest fast. Northwest. Just hug the wall. Northwest now. Keep moving lang, boys. Keep moving. Yeah, may healer pa tayo isa. Keep moving.
We only have 1 healer, guys.
Yeah, one healer, boys.
Pabalik
One
namin nila
healer.
yan eh. So,
Copy. Get ready.
No,
Look, start is shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start is shallow na.
This is big.
Come back fast. Move fast. Pop your pots.
Oh my god.
Move fast. Keep moving. Heals on JLC. Help JLC here. Nice.
Southwest,
Friends.
kill southwest.
Okay, delikado na kami dito. Keep moving lang, keep moving lang. Keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall. Get ready.
Ilan-
Get ready.
ilan-
Very shallow, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this Siren, on this Siren. Kill this Siren.
He's going to
Come
stun.
out.
At
Yup,
the
yup,
front
yup,
line. Listen on the front.
Ready the cleanse, ready the cleanse. Cleanse.
Nice.
I'm dropping Judy here.
Heal sa front.
Regear sana
Cycle
sa
your cooldown. Copy.
Reload shit pulls, huh?
Yeah.
Mataas
Ano,
ang build.
Chelsea? Kailangan ng Chelsea na
Malayo
Hold,
sila.
hold.
Keep moving.
Kailangan ng heals kay Bizdock. Get ready. Looking southwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Then come north.
Cleric.
Blazing.
Bizdock need help. Come north. Get ready. We're going to push through right after the Regear is here already. Alright? Keep moving. Rafael, patay ka?
I'm dropping backline Judy.
Spread.
Line heals.
Get ready. Looking shallow on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Tangina, saktong-sakto. Engage. Come northwest. Cleanse that. Nice cleanse. Keep moving lang.
Regears nasa spring na. Zoning na sa pulse.
Keep moving, boys. 2 minutes.
Pwede kayo mag-regear sa Tedford, mas malapit.
Get ready. We're going to go northwest, boys. Alright? We're going northwest. Face northwest. Northwest. Go northwest.
Isang healer natin. Ingat dito sa Elper.
Keep moving northwest.
Oh no.
Oh, no. Come northwest. Keep moving.
Magbabank muna ako.
Andiyan
Ready.
si Ali healer.
Keep moving. Come north now. North, then northeast. Get ready.
Any,
Looking east.
any.
East up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Baka na yan.
Come back fast. North.
I'm dropping Judy sa choke.
Tiisin nyo lang guys.
Popper pots. Come northeast. Northeast. Oh my god, come northeast.
Sorry, Ski.
Come northeast. Come north.
Ay, nang dami.
Nabaan din ako.
Ready, shallow dito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Then come north fast. I need heals, putang ina.
Fronts need heals.
Dapat di ka umalis.
Kasi
muna.
Kasi nag-iwahiwalay tayo dun.
Hindi, dapat di ka muna umalis doon kasi sa parang healer natin. Mas malapit yung play.
We're seeking for heals.
Mabilis ka na
Ganun.
makakalapit yung healer na Sige.
Tumakbo nga lang ako kay Yani.
We go back to